So today we're going to be looking at the topic of coordinate geometry, and before we have plotted points A and B on what we call the Cartesian plane. The Cartesian plane is made up of the x-axis, which is always horizontal, and the y-axis, which is always vertical. So let's say we have 2 points A and B. Point A is 3, 2, meaning that it lines up with 3 on the x and 2 on the y-axis. And point B is -1, -3, which means it lines up with -1 on the x and -3 on the y. So coordinates are always listed the x coordinate first, then the y coordinate. And so A is 3, 2, B -1, -3. When we connect point A to point B, we call that line AB. The first thing we're going to be doing with this line is finding the gradient. Now, the gradient has a particular formula. The formula is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. That is providing that we have 2 points. The 2 points are considered to be coordinates x1, y1 and x2, y2. So let's say from our previous points, A, 3, 2 is x1, y1, and B, -1, -3 is x2, y2. It means then the gradient will be y2, -3, minus y1, which is 2, over x2, -1, minus x1, which is 3. When we work that out, we get -5 over -4. A minus is a plus, so we have +5 over 4, or 1/4 as our gradient.